G'day gang, Skypilot here, welcome back to my channel. Yes, the iFlight Alpha A85. I'm going to do a little bit of a wind test here today guys, because it's a little bit windy. If you're interested, check out the links below and also my past videos of this up on the screen there. This thing is a ripper unit. Lots of fun. And it's going to be carrying the TTU 654S, which is my preferred battery for this unit. Okay, that is enough chit chat. Let's fire up. Let's get amongst the trees. Thanks for stopping by, gang. Smash that thumbs up, that'd be awesome. Let's get flying. Quick line of sight first. Make sure everything is as it should be. Looks good. And off we go. I've flown the HGLRC MotoWhoop here, so I know exactly how far that one goes, so I might do a little bit of a comparison shortly and, oh yeah, wind permitting, see how far this one here goes as well. And straight away we've hit a tree, but like most things that are cool, they bounce back. Sorry guys. And I don't think that car's tooting at me. Okay. I'm fighting the wind a bit here folks, so bear with me. So I can get around this tree. The HGLRC MotoWhoop before we start going bonkers. And yeah, that's pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. This breaks off a bit coming back because the antenna's facing the other direction. Great little exploration whoop this one is guys. It's not so much a freestyle racer. However, given the right conditions, it certainly packs a punch. And good fun to fly and stay away from the water. Speaking of exploration, see if we can go through some trees this time without actually striking them. Well, it's quite windy guys, I'm not sure if the cameras and the microphone are picking that up, but you can see I'm just going to have to set it down here and wait for this strong breeze to pass, or I'll be going for a walk. Oh, crikey. Onboard DVR guys, you can see the recorder up on the top right screen there. I've got a 16 gig card in here. That's what I normally run with, a 16 gig. FAT32 formatted. That does the job really well. It never fills up after a couple of flights, so. And you're guaranteed, high speed of course, you're guaranteed to capture all of that footage. Okay. Come back down here. I think the wind's starting to die off, so I'll just go back up here and I'll just show you guys some of that slow exploration filming that I was talking about earlier, hopefully. And with the guards on this, yeah, you can have a little bit of a knock around, that's fine. It'll bounce back. You'd certainly be hard pressed to do a set of props of this in a hurry, it's for sure. Okay, let's go for that inevitable punch out, shall we? Yeah, that's decent. Gonna be a bit of a wash coming down. I am just on horizon mode guys. You can fly acro if you wish to do so, however I'm not going to because of the wind. I shall just crash. And hello me. Let's do a bit of a flyby. You guys can have a nice listen to this unit. And there's some branches there. Let's try that again. Hello me. And into the wind we go. Up the creek without a paddle. .300 milliwatts, guys. I'll set the VTX to on this, which is the maximum output. Does a pretty decent job. Let's see if I can go over here near the bridge. This is a good test of pretty good VTX. Yeah, that's good. If I'm up here, I know with the interference and everything, it's does the job really well. Excellent stuff. Good fun this is, guys. This one's good fun. I like this unit. Low battery over the river, not a good idea. Okay, I think I've mentioned before, when that low battery comes on, yeah, it's time to come home. There you have it, gang. Nice flight of the Alpha I. There you have it, gang. Nice flight of the Alpha A85. That's decent. Lots of fun, folks. Again, tech specs, links down below. Thumbs up, drop me a comment, any questions about this unit, and I'll see you guys again real soon. Thanks for stopping by. Sky Pilot.